In front of me is OPPO F21 Pro 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off auto brightness on this OPPO. Firstly, open settings and tap on display and brightness right away. Now you need to click on this switcher next to auto brightness feature, and as you can see, auto brightness is now on. If you wish to turn it off, just click on the same switcher. But you can also go into tab menu as well and tap on this icon next to brightness slider. If it's green, that means that auto brightness is on. If you wish to turn it off, just click on the same icon again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!